Vaccinated Hoosiers make up more than 99% of COVID-19 cases in the state, including a large number of hospitalizations. CBS 4's Lindsay Stone spoke with doctors to find what age group is being impacted the most and the efforts that officials are taking to vaccinate more Hoosiers.
New data released by the Indiana Department of Health reports the odds of a fully vaccinated individual being hospitalized with COVID-19 is 0.002%. The odds of being hospitalized without vaccination is 0.2%.
The vast majority of people who are getting COVID right now, and of course them being hospitalized, are unvaccinated.
Dr. Sean Grant is Vice President of Data and Analytics at the Regenstrief Institute, says the COVID-19 vaccine significantly lowers your chance of being hospitalized with the coronavirus.
The rate of hospitalization among vaccinated people is 94% less than the unvaccinated group.
I reached out to the state health department. It shared the data collected between January 18th to April 30th showed 99.3% of new COVID-19 cases occurred in people who had not been vaccinated.
You have a significantly, massively lower risk of being hospitalized if you receive the vaccine.
At the same time, vaccination numbers are declining across the country.
In Indiana, overall, we're seeing a steady decline. Actually, Marion County has sort of shown recently sort of a stabilization of the rate. I think that's evidence that getting the word out can help.
We're really trying to push a big campaign, a new digital campaign out there, trying to address our 18 to 39-year-olds.
Dr. Virginia Kane, director of the Marion County Public Health Department, says the 18 to 49 age group accounts for 43% of current COVID-19 cases in the county.
Take that vaccine, protect yourself and your loved ones.
Lindsay Stone, CBS 4 News.
Lindsay, thank you. In addition to that digital campaign, Dr. Kane says her department is also using pop-up clinics to make it a little easier for Hoosiers to get vaccinated. To find vaccine clinics nearest to you, visit our website, cbs4indy.com.